Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do a workbook of chapter number 1, heating and cooling. We have to start with question number 8. Explain each of the following statements. Question number 8 1a. Houses in hot countries are often painted white. The answer is white surfaces reflect heat and is a poor absorber of heat. It helps to keep houses cool. Question number 8, part 1b. Car radiators are painted matte black. The answer is black is better emitter of thermal radiations than shiny one. Question number 8, part 1c. Anyone standing near a bonfire feels a drought. Answer is hot air rises from the bonfire causing cool air to take its place. A convection current is set up and a person can feel a drought. Question number 8, part 1d. If you stand in front of an open refrigerator, you get cold feet. Cold air being denser than the hot air settled at the bottom of the refrigerator, this escapes as the refrigerator door is kept open. Question number 8, part 1 E. Birds fluff out their feathers in winter. Answer is by fluffing up, birds trap air between their feathers, forming an insulation layer. Question number 8, part 1F. A saucepan has a copper bottom but a plastic handle. Answer is a saucepan has a copper bottom to absorb heat. Copper is a good conductor, but it has a plastic handle so that our hands do not get burned because plastic is an insulator. Question number 8, part 1G. Someone feels cold in a string vest but warm if they wear a tight shirt over it. The answer is air gets trapped between the holes of the string vest and tight shirt, preventing heat loss. Question number 8, part 1H. Glider pilots gain height by flying over large plowed fields. Plowed fields are dark and absorb heat from the sun. This warms the air above, causing convection current, which the glider pilot can use to gain height. Question number 8, part 1I. Seeds germinate means start to grow earlier in soil that has covered with black plastic sheet. Black is a good absorber of heat. Heat is required for the germination of seeds. Question number 8, part 1J. Paper decorations flutter if they are put on a wall above a hot room heater. The answer is convection currents of air are produced by the heater. As the warm air rises, it makes the paper decoration flutter. Question number 8, part 2. From the list above, pick out 3 examples that involve heat transfer by A. Conduction. Beta, the answer is birds fluff out their feathers in winter. Number 2, a saucepan has a copper bottom but a plastic handle. Number 3, wearing a tight shirt over a string vest. Question number 8, part 2B, convection. The examples of convections are glider pilots, fluttering of papers, decoration, cold air from the refrigerator door. Question number 8, part 2C, radiation. The answer is car radiator painted black. Number 2, houses painted white. Number 3, soil covered with black sheet. The graph shows the change in temperature of some crushed ice as it is heated. The temperature is taken every 30 years. Seconds from a start to finish. This is a graph between time and temperature, and these are different stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4 of a changing state of ice from ice to liquid water and then finally to steam. Read the descriptions A to D, then answer the questions which follows. A. Heat energy is raising the temperature of water up to 100 degrees Celsius. B. No temperature rise. Heat energy is changing liquid to a gas. C. Heat energy is raising the temperature of the ice. D. No temperature rise. Heat energy is changing a solid to a liquid. Which of the statement A to D best describes what is happening at stage 1? Heat energy is raising the temperature of the ice. At stage 2, no temperature rise, heat energy is changing a solid to a liquid. At stage 3, heat energy is raising the temperature of water up to 100 degrees Celsius. At stage 4, no temperature rise, heat energy is changing liquid to a to a gas. Question number 10. Use these words to fill the gaps in this passage. Words are cold, degrees, energy, high, hot, joules, low, thermometer. Temperature and heat are not same things. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. It is measured in degrees Celsius using a thermometer. Heat is the transfer of energy from a high temperature to a low temperature object. It is measured in joules. Thank you.